Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper. Please ignore all of this. I'm in the process of cleaning my craft room, but I wanted to go ahead and still show you everything I got at the Dollar Tree. So I've got 5 bags, 6 bags. So we will start off. Let's see, I've got some fluffy stuff. It is strawberry cotton candy. And it's white. I love it. My kids are always asking me for cotton candy because I have a cotton candy machine. So I thought this would be fun for them to have their own little bag. What else? I guess we're doing food first. I got some salt and pepper pork rinds. I usually don't buy food at the Dollar Tree, but I tried one of these. So I'm trying the pork rinds, but I've tried, where'd they all go? Let me see. Here we go. I tried these before and they were amazing. So I did buy a bunch of those. We also have bananas and strawberries, freeze-dried fruit, and then I have a whole bag of them. So nice little snacks for the day. Not the day, but the days. I also, you guys, the candy jars, look at how big this one is. It's a nice, big, huge candy jar. You could decorate these so great. I cannot wait to use that. And there has to be some kind of DIY to be made with it, right? I also picked up one of these and one of these. This one says, "Believe in the magic of Christmas." This one says, "Good tidings of comfort and joy." And I just think they are so cute, especially for like a tiered tray or something like that. Speaking of tiered trays, I will definitely be making something for my tiered tray using the Give Thanks and Gather, and I think they are adorable for $1.25, and you get 2. They are hangers. So now that I'm thinking about it, I still have that white tree that I decorate every holiday. I haven't decorated in a while, but I don't have anything for Thanksgiving. Maybe I could buy some of those and have those hanging on my tree. All right, you guys, I have enough stickers. Holy cow. This whole box back here, that whole tote is filled with stickers. So, but then I had to buy this because it is so cute. It's got all my favorite stuff. It's got a compass. It's got a globe. It's got a bunch of vintage suitcases. It's got an hourglass. And then what else does it have? An ink pen and some snaps, some luggage snaps. I love this kind of stuff. I love that. So I will definitely be using that probably in a page. I don't know what page. I don't think I'll do it as a planner. I probably should have bought more than just that one, but that's the only one I saw. I also picked up some Scotch tape, gift wrap tape, because it's the season, right? I found these little light bulb decorations. I'm going to make a gift out of that. If you want me to show you, let me know. Put in the comments below. And then look at the blue stuff that has come out. So, nice little tray there. A lovely bowl. Very vintage looking. And then these bowls here, these are 2 of them. I have 2. So those bowls. And that blue is just so cute. I haven't seen the blue before. That's new to me. What? Oh. I got some Snuggie socks. So already thinking these are for each of my grandkids. This I hadn't seen before. This is a metal tree lamp. So it's got a little light there. I picked up the little LED lights. Not sure what for, but we will think on it and see what we come up with. This adorable Santa. He is just begging to be turned into something DIY. Am I right? I picked up a couple. Is this called a scheme? Scheme. I don't know. Let me know what these are called. And I don't know, maybe this is too small to be called that, but it is the little yarn. It's kind of a powder, not a powder blue, like a blue gray. So I have a little nephew who was just born less than 2 months ago, and I'm gonna knit him a little hat because he lives in Missouri, where it is gonna be cold and snowy. All right, look at this. I picked that up. Isn't that cute? That'll be very cute on my little tray with my Thanksgiving stuff. And I got a little nutcracker. He's plastic, he's just for decoration, but he's so cute and he's so tiny. And you guys, I don't call him Nutcracker anymore. There was this little girl I was watching on social media, and she asked if she could play with the crackhead. And when her mom asked her what is the crackhead, she went and showed her this. So this is now a crackhead. I think it is so funny. All right. I also got some floral moss. Oh, good thing I found this. Holy smokes. My keys. I would not have known. I've been looking for my keys all over if I would have wanted to go out today. And, oh, that's everything. Oh no, here's one more bag. I picked up a little lip balm of Lilo and Stitch. It's got Stitch on there. So now's the time. It's time to get those stocking stuffers. Word search, giant print. That is for my friend's dad who was looking for those. And a couple of fun pads. I loved fun pads when I was younger. It was one of my most favorite things to get in my stocking. And it gave me hours and hours of fun. Looks like this is a coloring book here. Oh, there was some games in there. But all kinds of fun stuff. And then this one is cute as well. Same thing. But I think I saw more games, yeah. Oh, those are the answers to the games. But nice little draw your face Santa. Word matches. These will be fun for the little ones. So, yeah, I love these. And I also liked the Mad Libs as I got older. I picked up one of these palettes, and I will definitely do a quick and easy DIY with this. It's not even really a DIY. You'll see. If you are not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. And then finally, I picked up 3 of these, what are they called? Hardware storage cases. But in my house, we call them snackle boxes because we fill up each individual tray with its own little snack. So cheeses, some crackers, some like olives and stuff like that. And that way you have your snacks for the day, the week, or whatever you'd like. These are great for traveling. Put all the different snacks in there and then just give one to your kid and they have all the snacks. So, all right, you guys, that is everything. I cannot wait to start using this. It's the crafting season where we do DIYs for everything. So you'll probably be seeing a lot more videos and a lot more crafting. I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you again. And I will talk to you later. Bye.